No, I think.
The other was, sir, about bank interest and the usury.
Well, there is no fine distinction between bank interest and usury in Islam.
Yes, sir.
What Islam has said, عذاب مضاعفہ, has been misinterpreted by those who want to have a compromise with the system of usury in existence in the world today. And they say عذاب مضاعفہ means compound interest only. So Allah says, don't eat compound interest. If it is not compound interest, well, go ahead and do it. That is the spirit they attribute to this verse, which is totally wrong. Azaf Muzafa is to point out the evil inherent in the system of usury. That you have a distorted approach. You are so voracious that you want to eat up the people, the others' wealth, increasing, multiplying your own. So that was only a way of condemnation of this whole approach. The Holy Quran was not referring to compound interest as against the simple interest. So this is something which is totally wrongly attributed to the Holy Quran. Only a method was adopted, a manner of speech, in which the evil was enhanced and made enhanced and made it appear to people that it was a bad thing you were doing. Muslim Islam has said that nowadays the system is such that we individually cannot fight it out. So when he said a day may come, that did not mean that the system would remain in operation, yet we will decide against it. What he may have in mind was this, that as long as the world economic system is not changed and replaced by the Islamic system, we have this compulsion. Under this compulsion, many Ahmadis have their bank accounts and are given interest automatically, which they do not desire. Muslim Islam has said that although you cannot use it, even then, on your own person, yet instead of throwing it away or giving it to the bank for wrong applications and for causes opposing Islam, it is a much better way to give it to Islam, because in this respect, Muslim Islam has pointed out that everything belongs to Allah. So far there is no halal haram for Allah. If you have no intention of haram, then your rupiah, your money, as such is not filthy. Because it is your intention which would make it haram or halal. And because your intentions are not in that, so to offer that money to Allah is not an insult. You are permitted. And as far as Allah is concerned as a recipient, nothing is haram for him anyway. So both these ends are taken care of in a very intricate and very beautiful